started out as Lift Foil Jamaica with one brand who just came about with a board which I liked, and based on how I use that board as a Jamaican, taking it on the rivers and everywhere, they like what we did, and I was made an affiliate and given another board. We're located here at Pier 1 Marina, Shop 5, here in Montego Bay, St. James. We started out as a mobile service. The butlers at the villas would call us out, so we would get a significant amount of work based on what we've been hearing from our customers. It's been going well. So this is our actual first physical location. This is the consultation point. This is where you can come, get more information and book from, and we have access to the dock, so we can transition from here to the dock, go straight into the water. As a walk-in, so to speak, you have a lot of options. They would be given not only information but a rack card with what we offer and the prices. And based on your skill level or athleticism, we can get you out on the water for whether a boat cruise, a water cycle lesson. We have the snorkeling with the sea bobs. It's actually, I'd say, a swim aid, a torpedo-shaped vessel with a propulsion that basically pulls you through the water. So you don't need to be a swimmer to use this. So our e-foils, it's a battery-powered surfboard that's on a mast that raises up out of the water once it's been propelled. So we do teach people how to ride the e-foil, so that's how we started out. We've broken down the cost from what it was to now $150 per hour, because the average person learns in about 10 to 15 minutes, which leaves about an hour, 45 minutes ride time. This one is paired with the boat cruise, which brings you out to the reef, where you would get to use these to have the snorkel experience. Alright, this is $165 per person, and we can take as much as 6 persons on this boat snorkel cruise. So you're able to get pretty close to marine life with this. So this is actually very cool. Requires a bit of teaching, however we have a Shilla water bicycle. Anyone who can ride a bicycle can use that, and of course we have tubing, which is fun for everyone. So we have something for all ages, and of course we have the safety equipment and the trained professionals. We're excited about, to actually have these products here in Jamaica and to actually introduce them to not only the tourist industry from this point, but also the locals as well.